In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove blackheads with baking soda. Have you ever used baking soda in your beauty regime? Baking soda has many amazing beauty benefits for your skin. Particularly the use of baking soda for the removal of whiteheads and blackheads is the most effective. You can use baking soda as an exfoliating agent. It also works against acne. But you're probably thinking, how can I use baking soda for blackheads? Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you an amazing home remedy to help you get rid of blackheads within a few minutes, and it's painless. Make use of this home remedy and you'll have spotless beauty skin. So what ingredients are you going to need? Well, you're going to need baking soda and water. And the procedure to use it is first get a clean bowl and add in some baking soda, and then add some water and mix it well to make a paste. Get this paste to a nice consistency, and this baking soda will be ready for use as a blackhead removal. The next stage is to wash your face or nose or wherever you have the blackheads with warm water. Apply the paste and massage it in for 2 to 3 minutes. Let the paste get dry and then wash your face with warm water after this. Even after the first use, you will see great results. The benefits you'll get is baking soda works as an exfoliating agent and it cleanses the pores on your skin. The ingredients also helps in the cure and prevention of skin infections, acne and pimples. The use of baking soda cleanses your skin deeply and prevents the formation of blackheads as well. This remedy is the simplest and it's also painless. So if you have blackheads covering your face, nose or neck, do not worry. This remedy works for you as well. Make and use this remedy and get rid of this skin problem today. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to instantly remove blackheads with baking soda. And if you have, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy this next video on the 40 brilliant uses and benefits of baking soda you never knew. Thanks for watching and bye for now.